Hi crew, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm showing you how to make a sunflower. The sunflower cocktail is another invention of Sam Ross, former bartender of Milk and Honey, current co-owner of Attaboy in New York City, and I believe he also owns a tiki bar in Brooklyn in New York. So this is another equal part cocktail, makes it real nice and easy. Gin, elderflower liqueur, orange liqueur, and lemon juice. Then it's also got an absinthe rinse. I really quite like the flavor, the subtle anise that it adds when you do an absinthe rinse on a glass. Only subtle, but it works really, really well. In my last video, I mentioned the aprons. We do have them available on pre-order as well as branded t-shirts, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. Otherwise, let's get on to mixing the drink, and thanks for Kyle for utilizing the Buy the Back Bar feature for buying the gin. So, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of each ingredient. First starting with beefeater gin, elderflower liqueur, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. And your preferred orange liqueur, use a Cointreau triple sec, Grand Marnier. And last ingredient, fresh lemon juice. Sort of last ingredient. Add ice to the shaker, give it a quick shake and you're good to go. First a spray of absinthe. And straight into the glass. And garnish with a twist of citrus. There you have the sunflower. Cheers. That's a banging cocktail. That is absolutely delicious. I love those really subtle absinthe notes. I said that at the start, but it works really well in this cocktail. The rich orange liqueur, the Grand Marnier, and those elderflower notes all pair really well with the gin. Citrusy, very tasty. Make sure you try this one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.